that much, girl. Hey, hey, all I know is that I feel it with you.
Baby, drop it, rewind it. I am to drop it, rewind it.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for joining me in today's video. So today I'm going to be doing this like really pretty, almost like pink toned vibe makeup tutorial. Now I really wanted to sit down and create something that was very sort of like fresh and daytime wearable for graduation. So I thought, why not pair it with like a bold pink lip? So yeah, obviously you guys can wear this for Easter weekend coming up. I mean, I don't know what I'm gonna call this. I don't know whether I'm gonna title it a graduation look or an Easter look. I'm gonna have to wing it and see how it goes. So yeah, if you guys would like to see how I get this look, then please keep on watching. Also, don't forget to subscribe and follow me on my Instagram page. Okay, so for the face, I've already primed my face with my Kiki Beauty Makeup Ready Face Primer, and I already applied my Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Foundation. This is in the shade 60 Caramel. And now we're going to move on to concealer. Using my Eyeliner Pro Conceal in the shade Pure Beige. And I'm just going to be highlighting under my eyes, down the center of my forehead, bridge of my nose, tip of my nose, Cupid's bow, and chin. And then I'm going in and just blending this all out. So next, taking my holy grail translucent powder. This is the Yardley Absolute Translucent Powder, and I'm just going to be baking all of the areas that I've highlighted. For eyeshadow today, I'm going to be using this Beauty Code Dimension palette, but you guys can use whatever you have at home. So taking the lighter shade in this palette, this is sort of like a light peachy shade, and I'm just going to use this to highlight my brow bone. Going into this light peachy transition shade, I'm just going to start dusting this into my crease, all the way from inner corner to outer corner of the eye, also taking it on the lower lash line. Then going in with this reddish shade and adding some depth into the crease, and on the lower lash line as well. And then going in with this dark brown from the palette, and I'm gonna work that lower down than the first two transition shades, adding a lot more depth to the eye. Also taking that just on the outer corner of the eye. Taking this purpley duochrome color and just packing this all over my lid. This is such a pretty color. And then taking my Tassy B Limelight powder in the shade Candy, and I'm just going to highlight my inner tear ducts. And then taking my Wet n Wild Proline Felt Up Liner, and I'm just going to be drawing some wings. For mascara, I'm going to be using my Wet n Wild Max Fanatic Mascara, and just lightly coating my top and bottom lashes. And then applying my Line Spring lashes in the Style Extra. To bronze my face, I'm just going to go in with my Essence Sun Club Matte Bronzing Powder. I'm kind of going to be skipping bronzer today just because I want this look to be a little bit on the softer side. And I'm just taking my Avon Glow Bronzing Pearls and just sort of bronzing up the face, kind of using this as my blush as well. And then taking my Tassy B Limelight powder in the shade Candy once again, and I'm going to use this to highlight my face. Whoa, this highlight is blinding. To set my face into place, I'm going to be using my Kiki Cool Citrus Setting Spray. For lips, I'm going to start off with my MAC Nightmoth lip liner. And then I'm gonna go in with my MAC Retro Liquid Lipstick in the shade Tailored to Tease. So that is pretty much it for this look. I have no idea what I'm gonna call it yet because it's kind of like a simple, effortless slay makeup tutorial for graduation or Easter weekend coming up. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to slay all day every day with and without makeup, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.
I don't know that much, girl. Hey, hey, all I know is that I feel it with you.
Sexy girl,
Yeah,
I want you.
I don't know that